And for more insight on this trial, entertainment and defamation attorney Camron Dowlatshahi joins us now. Thanks so much, Camron, for being with us. We know that the former president took the stand. It was just for a matter of minutes. It was very short. But as an attorney, I have to ask you, why would you put a client on a stand in a defamation case if it seems like he can't stop defaming her to begin with?
That's right. Thanks for having me. I wouldn't put him on the stand. That's the simple answer. I think there's dueling incentives here for Donald Trump. One is the case, which I think he cares much less about, and the other is his candidacy for president. And I think this is very much a show for him. Yesterday, it seemed that the defense counsel's strategy was to humanize him potentially for the jury because they are just determining the amount that he has to pay. But today, it seemed like a coordinated show for him to just walk out at the start of closing arguments.
That's exactly what he did, right? So a portion we know of Trump's testimony yesterday was stricken from the record, meaning the jury shouldn't consider it when reviewing the evidence in this case. What is the point of doing that if the testimony is already out there? Because you can't control, right? There's no mind control. So what is the point of striking something from the record?
It's to keep a clean record. The issues are very narrow here. It's how much money should the jury award to Eugene Carroll. The judge doesn't want all this stuff about, Trump's stance vis-a-vis Eugene Carroll, whether he's met her, whether he's seen her, his continued statements essentially defaming her once more. The issues are very narrowed and should be narrowed for the jury so they can come to their decision.
Let's talk about something that the plaintiff's attorney did. This is Eugene Carroll's attorney. The jury was able to see an excerpt of a video deposition that the former president gave in a separate trial in 2023. And in this video, he bragged about the value of his $1.5 billion Florida resort. Why? Why would the plaintiff's attorney play a clip like that?
Well, this is a damages case, so punitive damages will certainly be awarded, and the way that's done is to determine based on the defendant's wealth. So essentially, the question is, how much money will it take to get Donald Trump to stop doing what he's doing? And so if it was a defendant with a small amount of money, obviously the verdict would be proportional to that. But when you see him boasting about his billions, well, to me, that means an 8-figure verdict is coming.
I mean, Eugene Carroll is asking for $10 million in damages. That's a number that could be higher or could be none at all.
Correct. I think this morning, Eugene Carroll's lawyers asked for $12 million, considering what she's been through. Certainly, Donald Trump's supporters have, just thrown a bunch of hate on her, and she's been subject to extreme vitriol. So based on Donald Trump's conduct today, I wouldn't be surprised by an 8-figure verdict at all. And frankly, I think he could be welcoming that. He could say, look, here's an exorbitant award that was against me, and look how unfair this is. And he's just going to use that to galvanize his supporters.
Well, we know closing arguments are happening as we speak, so we will soon find out. Entertainment and defamation attorney Camron Dowlatshahi, thanks so much for your insight this morning. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.